Your website is already doing a job. The question is whether it's doing the right one. This is something we talk about with nearly every small business owner we work with. Most websites today are working hard. They have service pages, blogs, contact forms, and great visuals. But many of them haven't been updated to match how people actually search, evaluate, and decide who to trust today. So, while the site looks fine on the surface, it's often working harder than it needs to, and it's not as smart as it could be. Right now, search is no longer just about ranking on page one of Google. It's about showing up in answers. AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Copilot, and voice search aren't giving people lists of links. They're giving summarized answers, and those answers come from websites that are clear, structured, and trustworthy. That's where Answer Engine Optimization, or AEO, comes in. A smarter website doesn't just look good, it communicates clearly, it answers questions directly, it builds trust fast, and it guides both visitors and AI tools through what you actually do. Your ideal client isn't reading every word on your website. Neither is AI. They're scanning, they're comparing, they're looking for confidence and clarity. So here's what we recommend when we help clients make their websites work smarter without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, add simple, AEO friendly FAQ sections to your key pages. 3 to 5 real questions your clients actually ask with clear, short answers. This helps visitors and gives AI clean information to pull from. Second, structure your content so it's easy to scan. Clear headings, shorter paragraphs, logical flow. If it feels overwhelming to read, it's overwhelming for AI too. Third, make your trust visible. That might mean a behind the scenes trust page that lists credentials, certifications, awards, testimonials, or case studies. It doesn't necessarily have to be in your navigation to matter. Fourth, lead with clarity in your messaging. Who do you help? What do you do? Why should someone trust you? Smart websites answer those questions immediately. And finally, use AI as a simple audit tool. If an AI platform cannot confidently explain what you do and who you serve, that's a signal your site needs alignment. This isn't necessarily about starting over. It's about getting strategic with what you already have. When a website works smarter, it shows up in more AI-driven answers, builds trust faster, and attracts better quality leads. Your website shouldn't just exist. It should be working for you. And if you want help identifying where your site is working hard and where it could work smarter, that's exactly what we do at Sew In Media Group. Start with a free 15-minute call. We'll look at what's in place, where potential gaps are, and what changes could make the biggest impact. Because when your website is aligned with how people search today, everything else gets easier.